I recently discovered a brand new app which anyone from all over the world can use to get extra PayPal money. It doesn't need a large investment, it works globally, and pays via PayPal. But other transaction choices are also accessible. However, if you really want it to function, you must complete all the procedures in this video. If you don't watch the full video and follow along, I'm afraid it would not work and you'll never earn any profit. Assert to yourself that you're not lazy by listening to a 10-minute tutorial and taking action. I believe it's far better to spend 10 minutes learning how to make extra income from your phone than to waste 10 minutes surfing the net, reading unnecessary posts that you'll forget as soon as you start browsing. Once more, please pay attention and don't forget to like and give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying profiting online. Make sure to subscribe to this channel with notifications turned on so I'll notify you whenever I have a new and exciting ways to make money online. Be among the first to have it and profit. Now you can see all of the many payment options available. You can get paid using PayPal, Bitcoin, Payeer, and AirTM. Whatever method of payment you like is available. If you'd want to get compensated via PayPal and collect that free PayPal money, choose the PayPal option. Once you have $5 in your PayPal account, you may check out and use that PayPal money however you want. If you don't want to use PayPal or if PayPal isn't accessible in your country, you can still use Bitcoin, Payeer, AirTM, or any other payment method that you want. And before we get started, I just want to provide you some assurance that this works properly. So now you can see many of these individuals who are already making profits with this website. And they're getting paid basically every minute. And they're from all across the world. You have almost 3,000 of these pages with transaction proofs, which is obviously a site that pays a lot of money and easy to use. Let me show you how you can do it by yourself. Step 1 is to go to Google and look for various articles and blog posts that you think others would be curious to read. Rest assured, you don't need your own website, online accounts, or followers on social media. You also don't need a YouTube channel where you'll be making videos or anything like that. You just need to go to Google and look for what you think people have an interest in reading, like maybe something which is popular or some strange information, or anything else you think people will be interested in clicking on. Let's assume I want to find 10 odd facts, or let's say I want to find 10 interesting facts about water. As you can see, I'm not focusing on a single area, such as gold only for athletics, or anything that would appeal to a small set of people, but rather on something that many would really like to discover. For instance, 100 great water factual information you must know. Indeed, click on, or whatever you think is attractive to a large number of people. Even some great stories may be some peculiar and unique facts about things that a lot of people are willing to take part in. Or whatever is gaining popularity. Maybe some film, maybe some celebrity, some performer, some YouTube star, which is a trend. You just need to locate articles. Once you've found an article that you think a lot of people would be interested in, simply click right and copy the link, and that's all. For now, all you have to do is go to Google and select an article or blog post that you think would appeal to a wide group of people and copy the link. That's step 1. Once you've completed step 1, head over to exe.io. You may use this app on your smartphone device, tablet, laptop, or even PC, depending on which is more convenient for you. I'm using my computer to demonstrate it to you. This is over at exe.io, which is a site where you can reduce, share, and generate income by shortening long URLs and lengthy links, which you can share with friends, family, and other people. And you will be compensated whenever someone taps the link that you reduced. They don't need to sign up for anything, spend a penny, or purchase anything. They just need to simply click. They don't have to buy anything. All they have to do is click a link, and you'll get paid, which is incredible. And it's a lot simpler to get anyone to click a link than to get somebody to register and buy something. You can see 3 simple steps. Set up an account, which I'll show you how to do it for free. Shorten your links. and earn money, which you'll see precisely how it needs to be done. The reason why we're utilizing this app is because it has the highest ratings, which means you'll make the most money for your clicks. This means you'll get enough income for all those clicks and you'll get complete information on who's clicking on your links. It also has a great referral system if you'd like to advertise it to your friends and family or find someone who is keen in generating money. With exe.io, you can actually share your referral code and earn 15% of all of their lifetime earnings, which means you can earn passive income for the rest of your life simply by referring someone. For example, if that person earns $1,000, you'll earn $150 without that much effort. So all I ask is that you go to exe.io and tap on the sign up button right here to set up an account. You may do so by generating a username by entering your valid email address in the box, retyping the same password, and agreeing to their privacy policy, which you can review by hitting on these links. After that, just tap register and you have established an account with exe.io. When you establish a new account on exe.io, this is how it will look like. This is a dashboard where you can monitor your views, your earnings, your referral profits, and your average cost per 1,000 clicks from your link. However, top-level countries will earn more. If it's coming from a developing country, you'll make more money, but your CPM will be much lower because whenever someone links on your abbreviated link, they'll be first routed to a homepage for ads, where they'll be shown some ads that they can skip, and then they'll be sent to the link that you initially wanted to send them. exe.io is simply splitting ad income with you, which is why they have the CPM and this genuinely works. That's why you're being compensated for your clicks. It is a brilliant method since the individual who clicks doesn't have to spend any money at all because they can simply avoid those ads. exe.io is profitable and easy to use. You can go to withdrawals right here after you start producing money and have $3 in your account, the $3 in your earnings in the dashboard. You can choose your preferred withdrawal method, in this case, PayPal. Enter your PayPal email address and then pay out and spend the money on however you choose. But first, you need to begin having those clicks. And once you find that interesting article in Google, tap on establish a link right here so you can shorten it. You want to narrow down the article or blog post that you think a lot of people will tap on and read, which is why I advise you to concentrate on something that a diverse number of people will be interested to read. Simply paste the URL here and click generate right here, and you'll be given a shorter link that you can copy and you'll be paid when anyone clicks on it. You only need people to click on this link and you only need to locate people who are interested in reading that content. Now I'll show you two different places to find traffic that you can utilize to generate those clicks instantly and hands-free, even if you have no amount of followers and a newcomer. I want you to copy this shortened link for step number 2. The first traffic source you can utilize to generate those hits on total autopilot and for free is at Hercules.com. This is the platform that will allow you to market any website you want to a huge number of people every day for free, giving you a whole email that allows you to deliver one email to 1,000 different individuals every day for free. There's a strong probability that many of them will click upon your link, and you'll be paid each person that clicks on your link. Now check out Hercules.com for a thorough step-by-step on how Hercules works and how you can set it up by yourself to earn and promote whatever link you want. The second traffic source you can employ isn't entirely free, but it will help you obtain a lot more clicks much more quickly. This is already available on Shoutcard.com. If you join Shoutcard.com for free, you'll be able to access all of the different influencers on Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok. and they'll be able to promote your shorter link to large numbers of people. For example, I only selected Instagram and I can promote for $10 to advertise my shortened link to 500,000 people, resulting in over 500,000 people seeing my shortened link and clicking on it for only $10. Out of 500,000 people, if I only get 5,000 people clicking on my link, I'm making $10 per 1,000 clicks, which is $50. So I've already made $40 revenue. All you have to do is pay $10, give them your link, and they'll promote it. And if people start clicking, you'll earn money. And you can generate a chain reaction. With this, if you have $10 to invest, put it in one shout out. And if you start generating money, say $50 to $60, reinvest a little of that money into your other shout outs. The more money you make, the more shout outs you buy, and for larger pages. Because you're creating a snowball effect, you can purchase those shout outs every single day and get those people clicking on a regular basis almost instantly. As you can see, some pages have 700,000 followers, 400,000 followers, 500,000 followers, and some even have 2 million followers. It can promote to millions around the world and get hundreds of thousands of clicks when you shorten links. Just ensure that the articles and blog posts you find in Google are genuinely compelling and exciting so that a lot of people will click and read them. You can reach even more people by focusing in one area. You can choose one section from the left-hand side. For example, if I want to focus on fitness, I can choose only the fitness category. I can then find an article or blog post about fitness on Google, shorten the link that leads to that article with exe.io, and pay a fitness page to advertise my link to their audience. As you can see, I'm marketed to over 1 million individuals. All of them are interested in fitness and whatever specialized niche you want to target. And because they're interested, many of them may wind up clicking on my link. Once again, when anyone clicks, I earn money. So it's a really great and enjoyable way to earn money online. So either use Hercules or just start for free with Hercules. Get some clicks, earn some money, and then just start investing the money into Shortcart and work to develop some kind of business with it, because it's a really excellent one. I sincerely hope you found this video useful, and if you did, please remember to like it and give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do me a favor and hit the subscribe button with notifications turned on so you don't miss out on any new content. Thank you all for your undivided attention, and I'll see you again soon.